How to speed up your PlayStation 5 downloads. Hey there, PlayStation fans. Are you tired of slow download speeds holding you back from your gaming adventures? Well, today we're diving into 8 tested solutions to turbocharge your PlayStation 5 downloads and get you back into action faster than ever before. You know, maybe diving into a planet or, dropping into a war zone. First up, let's talk about optimizing your Wi-Fi settings. Did you know by simply switching to the 5 GHz band and positioning your PlayStation 5 closer to the router, it can actually help. It reduces interference and improves your signal strength. Navigate to your PlayStation 5 settings, select network, and switch over to the 5 GHz band. But remember, proximity matters, so the closer you keep your PlayStation to the router, the better off you're gonna be. Next, let's discuss the benefits of a wired connection over Wi-Fi. I know, that's pretty old school, but Ethernet offers an unmatched stability and speed, perfect for gamers craving those lightning-fast downloads. Simply connect your PS5 to the internet via Ethernet cable for the best gaming experience. Let's talk about managing your PlayStation 5 downloads. Downloading one game at a time and utilizing rest mode can significantly speed up the process. By enabling downloads in rest mode, your PlayStation 5 can focus solely on downloading without the distractions of running games or apps in the background. Just set your PS5 on download and, take a nap, read a book, go outside, who knows? Lastly, don't overlook the importance of your router and ISP in your quest for faster downloads. Invest in a router that can handle the demands of modern gaming, and consider opting for a fiber internet plan. Like the one offered by Race Communications. Shameless plugin, I know.
Do you want to see more ways on how to make your PlayStation 5 faster? Visit our blog, link in the description below.
Until next time, happy gaming.